NASA announced on Friday that the return of Boeing's Starliner from the International Space Station, originally scheduled for next week, has been delayed once again. Yes, you heard that right. The planned return was set for next week, but it has been postponed again. Why? The delay is to allow more time for reviewing the thruster malfunctions and helium leaks that caused the first delay. This really shows us how challenging the Starliner mission is. Starliner's first crewed mission to the ISS, initially planned to last about 8 days, has now been extended to a date yet to be determined. The spacecraft was launched from Florida on June 5th atop a United Launch Alliance Atlas V rocket, following years of delays, safety concerns, and 2 aborted launch attempts where astronauts were strapped in and ready to go. NASA and Boeing leadership are adjusting the return to Earth of the Starliner crew flight test spacecraft. Exciting, right? The June 26th return was rescheduled to avoid conflicts with a series of planned International Space Station spacewalks and to give mission teams more time to review propulsion system data. Steve Stick, NASA's Commercial Crew Program Manager, said, "We are taking our time and following our standard mission management team process." Stick emphasized that they are letting the data drive their decision-making regarding managing the small helium system leaks and thruster performance observed during rendezvous and docking. Starliner, crewed by 2 astronauts, Butch Wilmore and Suni Williams, both former U.S. Navy test pilots, is performing well in orbit while docked to the space station. NASA mentioned that the crew is in no hurry to leave the station as it is well stocked with supplies, and the station's schedule is relatively open through mid-August. This shows how careful they are about astronaut safety and mission success. The initial ISS docking was delayed by over an hour after some of Starliner's thrusters that provide fine maneuvering initially failed to engage. It was known that there was one helium leak affecting Starliner before the launch. While helium is non-combustible, it provides pressure to the propulsion system. However, other leaks emerged during the flight. Space exploration has always been challenging and unpredictable, but that's exactly why it's so exciting. Every new development reminds us of how much more there is to discover in the depths of space. We are eagerly awaiting what will happen next in this mission, and will continue to share all updates with you. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video. See you in the next space and science news update. Goodbye.